What's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone SE 2. So let's jump right in. Today we're unboxing the iPhone SE 2. This is my boy Chris. We got the iPhone in here and we're about to unbox it for you. Stay tuned.
Hi puppy. What's a good puppy? Are you a good puppy?
See here, we've got our beautiful iPhone SE 2. I don't know what color it is yet. That's part of the surprise. But we're gonna slowly but surely unbox it. All right, let's look at that beauty, boy. All right, as you can see here, you can see what's included in your package. All right, it's 128 gigabytes. So now we're actually gonna do the unwrapping. Pretty good, easy to peel. Wow, that's a lot nicer than previous unboxings. Look at that baby. We got some instructions. Oh, it comes with the SIM pin. Sweet. And our Apple stickers. Woo! So now we're doing the actual phone itself. Pretty easy. Oh, he got the color white. All right. Is it glass or matte on the back?
It is glass on the back. Wireless charging.
Oh, no way. Just gonna. Cool. Can I touch the back? Sweet. Oh, yeah. So it's like
aluminum on the sides.
So it's like a mix between the iPhone 8 and iPhone 6, more or less. It's pretty good. What's in the box? We got our standard little box right there. Our standard USB lightning cables. All right. Sweet. These look great. Pretty simple, easy. Now we're gonna do the actual all right, easy to peel. Boy, look at that beauty. Sweet. Let's turn it on. As you can see, we got the Apple logo. Is the Apple logo centered on the back?
It is on this one, but not the 8 or the 7.
Pretty cool. And they got rid of the Apple logo at the bottom too, so
yeah, it's completely clear except for this.
That's very different of Apple.
Yeah, it looks cool though.
Cool.
I don't know.
All right, hola. Let's just see how easy it is. So over here we have the iPhone SE 2 and the iPhone SE. So in terms of comparison, this is the back of the iPhone SE and the iPhone SE 2. Which do you prefer, do you think, in terms of the back look?
I like the one on the SE 2. I personally like the Apple logo being centered, but I do like them having iPhone SE written at the bottom of the SE original.
Definitely agree. Which form factor do you like more? Because that one's more of a box, and that one on the right, the new one, is more of like the iPhone 6 style.
I personally like the box style a lot more, which I'm excited if they're going to actually bring that to the 12.
Cool.
Because it's, I don't know, this has been my favorite phone.
Which one's lighter?
This one, by a lot.
By a lot?
Yeah.
So the new iPhone SE 2 is heavier, but bigger, so there should be more weight to it, but do you feel like that much weight should be attributed to that big of a size difference?
Yeah, it's not terribly heavy compared to the original SE.
Cool. The SE2 and the SE side by side up close. Pretty nice difference. We have a big difference in terms of what the bezel color is, so all the SE2s are going to be in the color black, whereas on the SE original it was white, so we definitely have a color difference. But for $400, not that bad of a color difference. So on the SE original, we have the headphone jack, and like all new iPhones, we don't have the headphone jack, RIP, any auxiliary cords, but that could be attributed to something for the water resistance, Apple wanting you to upgrade, you know, the regular game stuff. The two phones side by side on the back. I really think the SE2 has a nicer back, other than I wish they brought that guy, like you said, over
Yeah,
here.
that would have looked
100%.
nice right there.
Perfect. Even if it was like engraved.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the iPhone SE2 up close. It's a pretty good phone overall, very similar to the iPhone 8, and for a budget phone for $400, Apple definitely undercut the market, and it's a pretty solid phone. We'll give you an update on how it works at the end. That concludes today's vlog on the unboxing of the iPhone SE2. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more, like the video.